Solved problems. Final accounts from single entry. Preparing final accounts from single entry and missing information. Problem. Arthur Hobson is a sole trader who, although keeping very good records, does not operate a full double entry system. The following figures have been taken from his records. Balances as on 31st March 2017 and as on 31st March 2018. Cash at bank 730 and 870. Office furniture 300 and 250. Stock 1160 and 1310. Cash at bank 30 and 40. Debtors on 31st March 2017 amounted to 1490 and sales for the year ended 31st March 2018 5760. During the year ended 31st March 2018, cash received from debtors amounted to 5410. Creditors on 31st March 2017 amounted to 940 and purchases for the year ended 31st March 2018 and cash paid to creditors amounted to 3890. During the year 31st March 2018, no bad debts were incurred. Also during the same period, there was neither discount allowed nor discount received. Required. A. Calculate debtors and creditors as on 31st March 2018. B. Calculate Hobson's capital as at 31st March 2017 and 31st March 2018. C. Calculate Hobson's net profit for the year ended 31st March 2018, allowing for the fact that during that year his drawings amounted to 1270. Note: calculations must be shown. In order to solve the above problem, we need to find out the following. 1. Mr. Hobson's capital as on 31st March 2017. 2. Debtors closing balance. 3. Creditors closing balance. 4. Cash expenses if any. 5. Through the income statement, the profit during the year ended 31st March 2018. 6. Through the balance sheet as on 31st March 2018 to find out Mr. Hobson's capital as on 31st March 2018. Let us proceed step by step. 1. To find out the capital of Mr. Hobson on 31st March 2017, we will prepare the opening balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2017. Liabilities amount, assets amount. On the asset side, cash at bank 730, office furniture 300, stock 1160, cash on hand 30, accounts receivable 1490, total assets 3710. On the liabilities side, accounts payable 940. Balancing amount is Hobson's capital, that is 2770. Total liabilities 3710. Total assets 3710. Hobson's capital as on 31st March 2017 is now 2770. 2. To find out the debtors closing balance as on 31st March 2018, we will prepare the debtors account, particulars amount. On the debit side, opening balance 1490, sales 5760, total debtors 7250. On the credit side, cash on hand, cash received from debtors 5410, closing balance, balancing amount 1840 is the closing balance of debtors as on 31st March 2018. 3. To find out the creditors closing balance as on 31st March 2018, we will prepare the creditors account. On the debit side, particulars amount, credit side, particulars amount. On the credit side, opening balance 940, difference in stock 1390 minus 1160, 150, purchases 30890, total credits 4980. On the debit side, cash on hand, paid to creditors 3890. Closing balance of the creditors account is 1090. Creditors balance as on 31st March 2018 is 1090. 4. To find out the cash expenses, if any, during the year 2018, we will prepare the cash on hand account. Cash on hand. On the debit side, opening balance 30. Debtors, cash received from debtors 5410. On the credit side, creditors, cash paid to creditors 300,890. Cash at bank 140. Deposited into bank. Drawings 1270. Closing balance 40. Expenses, balancing amount 100. Total receipts 5440 and total payments including closing balance is 5440. Cash expenses during 2018 is 100. 5. To find out the profit during the year 2018, we will prepare the income statement. Income statement. On the credit side, sales 5760. On the debit side, purchases 300,890. Expenses 100. Depreciation 50. Profit 1720. Total expenses including profit 5760. Total income 5760. The profit made during the year 2018 is 1720. 6. To find out the capital of Mr. Hanson as on 31st March 2018, we will prepare the balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2017. On the asset side, cash at bank 870, office furniture 250, stock 1310, cash on hand 40, accounts receivable 1840, total assets 4310. On the liabilities side, accounts payable 1090. Hanson's capital in the beginning 2770, add profit 1710, less drawings 1270. Total options capital as on 31st March 2018 3220. Total liabilities including owner's capital 4310. Total assets 4310. The capital of Mr. Hobson as at 31st March 2018 is 3220. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.